Searching for the best space heater for office use? The Dreo Quiet Space Heater is your perfect companion. With whisper quiet operation at just 34 decibels, it keeps your workspace warm without distractions. Its precise thermostat, wide oscillation, and advanced safety features ensure a comfortable and secure environment. Stay productive and cozy all winter long. Number 1. Dreo Space Heater. The Dreo Space Heater offers a premium heating experience with its advanced 25-inch ceramic design, ensuring rapid warmth within seconds. Its Hyperamix thermal technology provides 11.5 feet per second fast heat, making it ideal for larger spaces or those seeking consistent comfort during colder months. This upgraded model excels in distributing heat more efficiently, doubling the range compared to conventional heaters. Safety is a top priority with B0 flame retardant materials, a reinforced plug, and 45 degrees tip-over and overheat protection certified by ETL. An additional child lock feature enhances peace of mind, making it a secure option for households with children or pets. Precision temperature control is another standout feature, allowing users to set temperatures between 41 degrees Fahrenheit and 95 degrees Fahrenheit with 1 degree Fahrenheit accuracy. The Eco mode automatically adjusts the heat output based on room temperature, promoting energy efficiency while maintaining a cozy environment. With its sleek design and robust functionality, the Dreo Space Heater is not just a winter essential but a long-term investment in comfort and safety. Number 2. MORENTO Space Heater. The MORENTO Space Heater combines versatility and efficiency, offering year-round comfort with its dual heating modes, 1500W and 900W and fan-only setting. Ideal for both winter warmth and summer cooling, this desk-sized heater adapts to your needs with ease. Its LED display conveniently counts down for 30 seconds post-shutdown, ensuring the safe release of residual heat. This thoughtful design prevents overheating and prolongs the unit's lifespan, making it a reliable option for continuous use. Energy-conscious users will appreciate the Eco mode, which optimally adjusts heating power based on the room's current temperature. Safety remains a priority with its built-in automatic shutdown system, activated if the device overheats or tips over. Additionally, the heater turns off after 24 hours of uninterrupted operation, reducing the risk of accidents and enhancing user confidence. Designed for quiet operation, the MORENTO Space Heater emits less than 35 decibels of noise, making it suitable for bedrooms, offices, or shared living spaces. Its portable design allows for effortless relocation between rooms, ensuring consistent comfort wherever needed. The intuitive LED display offers easy access to controls, allowing you to adjust settings without hassle. Number 3. Dreo Quiet Space Heater. The Dreo Quiet Space Heater, powered by the Solaris 317 system, redefines efficient heating with its advanced 1500 WPTC technology. This heater excels in delivering rapid warmth while improving air circulation, covering spaces up to 200% farther than traditional models. Its compact yet powerful design makes it perfect for bedrooms, offices, and living areas, ensuring a cozy environment throughout winter. What sets this heater apart is its whisper quiet operation, with noise levels as low as 34 decibels. Thanks to a brushless DC motor and winglet fan design, it offers a serene heating experience, ideal for uninterrupted sleep or focused work. Its 70-degree oscillation ensures even heat distribution, eliminating cold spots and providing warmth across the entire room. The precise thermostat allows for customizable temperature settings between 41 degrees Fahrenheit and 95 degrees Fahrenheit, adjusted with 1 degree Fahrenheit increments. The Smart Eco mode intelligently modulates power usage, balancing comfort and energy efficiency. Number 4. Dreo Portable Space Heater. The Dreo Portable Space Heater offers a harmonious blend of powerful heating and portability. Equipped with a 1500W advanced PTC system, it heats rooms quickly and efficiently, enhancing air circulation for broader coverage. Its innovative heat funnel design extends warmth up to 200% farther than conventional heaters, making it a top choice for larger spaces or colder climates. Safety remains a cornerstone of this design. Featuring B0 flame retardant materials and an enhanced tip-over detection sensor, it offers robust protection against accidents. Additional safety measures include overheat protection, a certified safety plug, and ETL certification, ensuring peace of mind for users in family settings. Thanks to its brushless DC motor and winglet fan design, providing a quiet environment for work or rest. Designed for convenience, the Dreo portable space heater includes multiple heating modes, a 12-hour timer, and a remote control. Its lightweight build and portable handle make it easy to move between rooms, adapting to your heating needs seamlessly. With its innovative features, reliable safety mechanisms, and efficient performance, this heater stands as a versatile and dependable option for maintaining a cozy indoor environment. Number 5. Dreo 1500 WPTC Space Heater. The Dreo 1500 WPTC Space Heater combines robust safety features and advanced heating technology to deliver dependable warmth. Constructed with B0 flame retardant materials, it includes a comprehensive safety system comprising tip-over protection, overheat safeguards, a 12-hour timer, and a 24-hour automatic power-off feature. Its ETL certification and sturdy 6-foot cord ensure safe, worry-free operation for extended periods. This ceramic heater heats up rapidly, powered by its 1500 WPTC system, making it suitable for a variety of spaces, including bedrooms, offices, and basements. Its wide-angle oscillation feature enhances heat distribution by 20%, ensuring even warmth across the room. Capable of covering up to 200 square feet, it provides consistent comfort during cold weather. Quiet operation is a standout feature, with noise levels as low as 40 decibels, thanks to oblique airflow technology. This makes it ideal for use in bedrooms, allowing for a peaceful night's sleep or an undisturbed work environment. The Smart Eco mode optimizes power usage, adjusting between 900W and 1500W based on the ambient temperature, promoting energy efficiency. User convenience is elevated with a touchscreen control panel positioned on top for easy access, complemented by a remote control with a 26-foot range. Its compact, 16-inch design saves space and features a hidden handle for effortless portability. The Dreo 1500 WPTC Space Heater is a well-rounded choice, offering fast, efficient, and quiet heating with advanced safety and energy-saving features. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.